We have already created a mandala outside, and we'd like to create an indoor mandala with our father with these treasures we found on our adventures and in past adventures.
What are we going to do with these? What is a mandala?
Well, our mandala is going to be a mandala to reverence the earth, and we're going to build it this morning to set intentions for the day to come.
Alright. Can we make it right here?
Yeah, you can make a mandala with your family and friends in a public spot or also in your room.
We could, since this is kind of living still, we could leave kind of like put kind of death and life one on each side, since both of that is going on in spring.
Yeah.
Or we could have them different distances, because life kind of comes first, and then we could have it spiral, and then we'd have death, and then we'd have this kind of in the middle. So we could have that in the middle of the spiral,
Okay.
and then this at the end, kind of symbolize
Yeah.
Cycle.
cycle.
That's cool. You like that?
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay, let's try that.
That looks cool.
Nice.
Alright, that's beautiful. We ready for the day?
Yeah.
Yeah.